Okay, so I'm about to start my quiz. Let's see what comes out here. So let's begin. Dash is the process of locating, identifying, and attracting capable applicants. Let's check out Google. I think it's the recruitment. Yes, it's recruitment. Total income of the country, total divided by population. Total population is the formula to calculate the per capita income. Let's confirm it again. Total income divided by total population is the formula to calculate the per capita income. Yes. The difference in value between a country's exports and imports is called it's definitely not per capita income, and it is definitely not trade surplus. So between balance of trade and balance of payment, the difference in value between a country's exports and imports. I think it's balance of trade. Let's check out on Google. Yes, it's balance of trade. In which form of business does one party give the right to the other party to do business by using his name and trade? Definitely not sole proprietorship, it's not partnership, it's not corporate societies, it is definitely franchising. Franchising is the form of business in which the owner of the company or the main company transfers its rights to another company and they can use its name and its details, its working procedures, and transfer some amount of their earnings to the parent brand. So in this case, franchising is the correct option. To get a product that is up to the expectations of the customers comes under consumerism. Let's find it out by searching it on Google. To get a product that is up to the expectations of the customers comes under consumerism. I think it's true. I think it is true. Two or more people or organizations join hands and decide to do a business, formed a separate entity. Two or more people or organizations join hands and decide to do a business, formed a separate entity. Let's check it out. Two or more organizations join hands and decide to do a business, formed a separate entity. It is a okay, two or more organizations join hands and decide to do a business, formed a separate entity. I think it's joint venture. What is the maximum number of partners in case of a banking business? What is I think I had read it somewhere that it was 20. The maximum limit in case of partnerships was 10 and 20 for banking businesses. I think it is definitely 20. 20. All of the following best describes the practice of corporate social responsibility except. I think it's interaction with government. Which of the following is a new trend in which two or more organizations combine together and form a new organization? Which of which two or more organizations combine together and form a new organization? I think it's joint venture. Which of the following statements is false? One reason for failure of small businesses is lack of managerial experience. This is true. One reason for failure of small businesses is that most entrepreneurs are younger than 25 years old. I think uh, this must be the answer, but let's check out other options as well. One reason for failure of small businesses is neglect. This is true. One reason for failure of small businesses is weak control systems. So one reason for failure of small businesses is that most entrepreneurs are younger than 25 years old. This is the one that is false. So I'll mark this option and click save. And so we're done with it. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos and more quizzes like this, and I'll see you in the next videos.